Will they block my unit if we don't pay for our management fee?
GG. What's up, everybody? Welcome to VC. My name is Vincent.
And I'm Chloe.
So today we are in another casual monsoon rain again. If you heard any rain, so I'll try to cut it off lah. Okay, so today's topic, which is
Management fee. So we're back with another educational video for our fellow homebuyers. So now I think everyone knows what the management fee is, but who actually knows what are these management fees for? What are they used in? So we will dive in further so that you will know where your money is going and not just down the drain. It's raining.
So whether you are thinking buying an apartment or condominium as a property investment or your own stay, you are going to pay more than just your monthly mortgage installment and living expenses. These properties are also known as the strata properties, which come with common facility that are used by all of the residents within each building. For example, the lift, the walkway, the swimming pool, the gym, function room, all of the facility which require proper maintenance and management.
Oh. Living or owning stratified properties means that you have to bear an additional cost, which is their management fee. Now, these monthly fees cover the cost of upkeeps of the buildings, grounds, and also the common areas of the strata development. So basically, management fee is the total of maintenance fee and sinking fund added up together. It costs a lot to maintain and manage a property, whether it is to hire the security and cleaning service or even pay for the electric and water bills which is used to run the building.
It is important for you to know the difference between maintenance fee and sinking fund. So let me explain the maintenance fee. To make it easier to understand, the maintenance fee or service charge that you pay every month is used for these recurring costs for the upkeep of the facility and for any minor repairs of the common property. So maintenance fee also includes property management like gardening, repairing common areas, security, keeping the place clean. Of course, you want your building clean, right?
Yeah.
So security is the most visible one basically. But all of these people working to keep your building looking good, alongside the management and administration team that oversees them, they all have to be paid too, right?
Yeah.
So that's what the maintenance fee is for. That's nice.
Next is the sinking fund. Sinking fund sounds like it's just for anything that is sinking, right? Like leakage, sinking, etc. But nope. It's more than that. Recurring costs such as security services, cleaning services, utility bills, and lift servicing are predictable and can be factored into monthly expenses. But like, what if the basement car park gets flooded during a thunderstorm, or a large crack appears on the building walls and needed to be urgently fixed? Will the management have enough cash flow to cover these costs? In most cases, they probably don't.
Who would even want to come up with that big chunk of money, right?
Yeah, exactly. So sinking funds are there to prepare against future expenditures such as large-scale repairs, major works on a building. They are often referred to as rainy day funds. It's important that everyone contribute to these funds. Example of usage would be the renewal or replacement of any fixture or fitting compromised in any common area, upgrading and refurbishing of the common property, painting the facade, and many more.
Just for your information, sinking fund usually plays in different bank account than maintenance fee, as it won't be used until it actually needed.
Yeah, so to sum it up, maintenance fee is there to pay for your ongoing monthly costs, while sinking fund is a large pot of money designed to offer financial security in case of any major expensive repairs.
After understanding the usage of these two, you must be wondering, how much does a maintenance fee cost?
Yeah.
When it comes to maintenance fee, total cost can depending on a wide range of factors. So, for instance, the density of living is also one of the big factors in the total cost. Low density property residents will have to pay more management fee because they have lesser people to share with the costs, and not to mention the facility that need a higher maintenance. While a higher density property development will have a cheaper management fee per residence because they can split up with the total cost.
Yeah, so for example, if your condo development has a garden theme and the garden is like few acres large with a fountain and gazebo, condo, then you can prepare yourself for a higher maintenance fee compared to a normal simple facilities condo.
The total cost is divided among all of the owner based on the different factors. For example, type of usage, because mixed development usually have a higher management fee compared to a residential properties, then the total floor size of the unit, shared access point, and the facility. Mainly will be on the total floor size of the unit. Do remember that a good management is also a factor in the cost. You can't just want to pay for a cheap management fee but expect 5-star management, right? So it is what it is.
Just now we mentioned about sinking fund being the shared pot of money kept aside for rainy days. The sinking fund cost is usually charged at 10% of the total cost of maintenance fees, though it can be higher when agreed during the general meeting with the management communities. So for example, if your maintenance fee is 30 cents per square feet, then your sinking fund will most likely be 3 cents per square feet. If your management fee is 33 cents per square feet, then multiply it with the total size of your unit to get your monthly management fee.
So here's the real deal. Are they gonna kick me out if I don't pay the management fee? The answer is no, but since you're obligated by law to pay the maintenance fee, the building management can take legal action against you. So before bringing you to court, the management can also forcibly enter your unit and seize movable properties to be auctioned off.
Yeah. So if you're wondering whether you must pay for your maintenance fee and sinking funds, the straightforward answer is yes. Definitely if you are a strata property owner. There are requirements for management bodies to determine, impose, and collect these charges under the Strata Management Act 2013 for West Malaysia, while Sabah and Sarawak have their own land laws that are tailored to fit their needs and lands.
But refusing to contribute is considered a selfish attitude, especially in a community living. This can result in a lack of proper income and cash flow to pay the service providers, and it will subsequently affect the maintenance of the service in an adequate level. This can indirectly affect the safety and security of the residents.
Yeah. Worst case scenario, if you don't pay for your management fee, the management body can display your name in a list of defaulters together with your unit number and amount owed. They can also deactivate your access card without prior notice to your residential complex. You will be charged a maximum of 50 ringgit to reactivate your card. Your access to common facilities will be suspended too. That includes car parking lots that have been assigned to you and many more.
However, the management cannot block access to your home or cut your water or electric supply. Same goes to the other way around. If your management body of your property is running slow and neglect the state of your building, you can actually sue them. Technically, the reason why you pay the monthly maintenance and sinking fund is to ensure the building you are living in is well maintained. So if your building is in a less than ideal state, you can actually bring it up to the management office. But if they neglect the state of the building and your complaint is not taken seriously, you can choose to sue your management where it is stated in the Strata Management Act. This is your right as an owner of that property.
Yeah, living in a strata development means living in a community. These fees are meant to ensure the community is harmonious and well maintained. If you have problem paying for your fees, it is best to discuss with your condominium management. So if you're still contemplating whether you should purchase a newly launched development or from the secondary market, which is known as subsell, you can click this link above to check it out. We've made a video to explain what you should really know when it comes to choosing these both.
So thank you for watching. If you gained some new knowledge today from this video, you may give us a like and consider subscribing as we post a lot of property related content here in the channel. So join our VC family and we will see you
In the next video. Ciao!